Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to invest with Moneybox, a popular investment app that allows users to invest their spare change into a diversified portfolio. The first step is to download and install the Moneybox app, available for both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, create an account by providing basic personal and financial information. The next step is to link your debit card to the app, which will enable you to set up automatic investments. Moneybox offers a range of investment options, including stocks and shares, ISAs, pensions, and general investment accounts. Choose the option that best suits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Now, let's talk about how Moneybox works. The app rounds up your daily purchases to the nearest pound and invests the spare change into your chosen portfolio. For example, if you buy a coffee for £2.50, Moneybox will round up the purchase to £3 and invest the £0.50 difference. It's essential to understand the fees associated with using Moneybox. The app charges a monthly subscription fee, as well as a small management fee on your investments. However, these fees are generally lower than those charged by traditional investment firms. To get the most out of Moneybox, it's crucial to set a long-term investment strategy and stick to it. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations, and instead, focus on your long-term financial goals. Additionally, consider setting up a regular investment amount to take advantage of pound cost averaging, which can help reduce the impact of market volatility. In terms of risk, Moneybox offers a range of portfolios with varying levels of risk. From conservative to aggressive, it's essential to choose a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. You can also diversify your investments by adding multiple portfolios to your account. Finally, keep in mind that investing always involves some level of risk, and there are no guarantees of returns. However, with a well-diversified portfolio and a long-term investment strategy, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can start investing with Moneybox and take control of your financial future.